TVS XL100 is a moped bike available at a starting price of Rs 40,849 in India. It is available in two variants and four colors with top variant price starting from Rs 51,762. The TVS XL100 is powered by 99.7cc BS6 engine which develops a power of 4.3 bhp and a torque of 6.5 Nm. We bring you the list of accessories for your TVS XL100 which will not only enhance its look but also keep it safeguarded. Crash Guard Assy for your XL100. This will cost you Rs 403. Kit Seat Cover Eco Black for your XL100. This will cost you Rs 229. Floor Mat for your XL100. This will cost you Rs 124. Kit Seat Cover Green in color. This cover will cost you Rs 246. Saree Guard Saree Guard for your XL100. This will cost you Rs 200. Retro Fitment Kit for your XL100. Retro Fitment Kit will add value to your already existing XL100. This will cost you Rs 10,799. Daily Grocery Delivery Box. This will cost you Rs 7,199. XL100 Tank Cover Single Pocket. This tank cover will cost you Rs 207. So guys, these are some of the shortlisted accessories for your TVS XL100 moped. Do let us know in the comment section if you want to know about any other accessory, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.